Have you ever wondered how birds fly? Let's break it down in 45 seconds. Birds have strong chest muscles that power their wings. When they flap down, they push air down and back, creating lift that keeps them in the sky. The unique shape of their wings makes air move faster above and slower below. This difference in pressure pulls them upward, just like an airplane. Flapping keeps them moving, while gliding saves energy. Some even ride wind currents to travel thousands of miles. So, with muscles, wing shape, and the power of the air, birds turn the sky into their playground.